Hello everyone, welcome to our channel that is Solid Master. So today in our Python session we will start our new topic that is control flow statement. So basically what is control flow statement? It is an order in which program codes execute and is regulated by conditional statements and loops. They having the major divisions of control statements are decision making, looping structure. So what does this decision making and looping structure does? First we will see only in this session decision making. In next session we will look about the looping structure. So decision making in Python, decision making is the process of executing a specific set of code statement based on a given condition. Such as the most basic form of decision making in Python is if, else and elif statement. As you see here, list of conditions occurring during the execution of program. It provides true or false as the outcome of the source. So here are the types of decision making. First we will see if statement, after that if else, elif, nested loop and pass statement. So I will go to here Visual Studio Code, open here Visual Studio Code. So for now I will choose here if statement. I will comment here. A is equal to, I will assign here two variables a and b. A is equal to 33 and b is equal to 200. So now I will use here if b is greater than a, b is greater than a, I will put here semicolon. After the end of if statement here, make sure you will do here semicolon at the end. Now I will press here next line and I will make here output print b is greater than a. Now I have write the code for if statement. I will run this code. Right click, run Python and run Python file in terminal. So here you can see in output terminal b is greater than a, that is our true boolean, because here the value I have assigned here b is equal to 200 and a is 33. So here b is greater than a, that is true. So I hope you got it. So I will move here next statement, that is if else statement. A is equal to, now I will assign here a is equal to 200, b is equal to 300. If b greater than a, put here semicolon at the end of each statement. Make here print b is greater than a. Now I will put here else and here I will put here after the else semicolon. That means it will go on next line, on next syntax. Now I will print here print a is greater than b. So here you can see here two statements are there at a time. If suppose b is greater than a, then it will go on first statement here, but here it will go on second, that is on elif. This elif statement is an optional statement here. So first I will comment this one. Sorry, I will comment only this portion. Now I will run this code. Right click, run Python file in terminal. So as you see here in our output terminal, it shows A is greater than B. That is true. So here it works like this. Now we will move to our next statement, that is elif. I will put here first comment, elif statement. Basically elif is a keyword. It is the short form of elif, else and if. It is used to check for multiple expression. If you have put the multiple expression, it will check also. Like suppose A is equal to, I will put here 324 value and B is equal to 500. So now I will use here three statements. First if. We cannot give directly elif statement here. This thing used to be remind here, that we will have to put if, elif and after elif else. So if B greater than A, so I will put here string B is greater than A. Now here in elif, I will assign here is equal to. That means I will check the value of A and B. And put here semicolon at the end. Print A is equal to, A and B are equal values. Sorry, are having equal values. But for that I have to make the equal values in variables, in both the variables. So I will make sure here 500 is equal to A, B is equal to 500. So now I will run this code. Before I run the code, I will comment this all code, if else statement. Now go to here, run Python. So now also you see here A and B are having equal values. That means it shows that A and B having the equal values, because we have put here double is equal to. That means it will check the value of A first and then after that B. So now I will move to next statement, that is nested. So for that I will make here nested if. Now I will assign here value x is equal to 41. If x greater than 10, print. I will write here code. Now again in if I will put here again if statement. And also above so I have used here if x is equal if x greater than 10. Two if statements are used in one code. So now I will use here else again, print but not above 20. So I will run this code here. It shows me the first one, that is print above 10 and also above 20. That means this both the statements have been print here in our output terminal, but not in else. It goes only in if and if statement. So if you understood this nested if, then I will move to next our last statement, that is pass. So for that I will make here a is equal to 33, b is equal to 200. If b is greater than a, and here instead of print I will put here pass. It shows that first I will run this code here, but before running I will comment this all code. Now let's run the program. Here also you can run. As you see here in our output terminal, having an empty if statement like this would raise an error without the pass statement. It means that there is no error in this statement, but it doesn't give any value because we have not used the print option. So that means this statement has been passed in our output terminal. So today we have completed our total 5 statements in this session that I have covered up. In the next session we will sure to start looping structure in control flow in Python. I hope you like our session. So please subscribe our channel for more projects in Python, SolidWorks, Creo and AutoCAD. Thank you for watching it.